I hope you enjoyed part 1 on communication. Now I welcome you on part 2 on how to improve communication as a couple. 1. Set aside 15 minutes period when you totally get home from work at the end of the day just to talk. 15 minutes. And then you may be surprised that within these 15 minutes, you may even want more time. Now this time is what I call quiet time. Turn off the television, put the newspaper down, talk about everything significant that happened in your lives that day. Share your experience. You will discover that those 15 minutes, they are just a very, very short time. They end up becoming 30 minutes, 40 minutes, an hour. So please, I'm encouraging 15 minutes after coming from work, put off the television, put everything else down, the newspapers, and even the children, let them be somewhere. You share the day's experience. Also, I would encourage, make a rule that the TV is off during dinner. For that hour, don't answer the phone. 3. Write a monthly date night into a schedule that cannot be broken. Make a schedule that every month you are going to have a date out with your spouse and you religiously stick to that. Number 4, get together for lunch once a week, even if it is going to the public park. Go out and change the environment. You can also, number 5, you can also attend to one of your children's sport games or other performances as a couple. When you are there, it's going to create a lot of environment during this time when you are going to really talk a lot of things. Number 6, take a walk together, probably after dinner. It's a good time to talk, and besides, it is physically good for your health. And finally, plan a weekend getaway once each year, just for the two of you. Take the Song of Solomon for those who are Christians and read it together. It's going to really re-energize and even make your marriage stronger and stronger. Thank you very much. It's Mutia Rukwaru, your family therapist from A Moment with Rukwaru. Have a great day.